All right, so for this problem, you guys are being asked to graph a linear inequality. So we're going to approach this the same way that we would if it was just a normal equation. So what we're going to do is we're going to see what the slope is. As you can see, there's nothing next to this x, so we're going to assume that the slope is 1. And we're going to start the graph at 2, which is our y-intercept. So we're going to go up 2, plot a point here, and then we're going to follow the same rules that we usually do when graphing an equation. We're going to go up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1, and so forth. Now the only difference between the two is that since there is a less than sign, and it's not less than, if it was less than or equal to, it would be a solid line. But since this is just less than, it's just a dashed line. So we're gonna follow it down. Once again, since it's less than, we're going to fill in everything below the graph rather than above. If it was greater than, it would be above. Since it's less than, it's below the graph. So we can simply just solve it like that. So for this next question, it's y is greater than 2x plus 5. So we're going to approach this as we would, once again, a normal equation. 5 is our y-intercept. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then our slope is 2 over 1, so up 2 over 1. Up 2 over 1. Since this is just greater than and not greater than equal to, this is also going to be a dashed line. But since this is greater than, we're going to fill in everything above the graph. And then that'll be our answer.